Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Ohnaka, and this is Ohnaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. The Millennium Falcon. Oh no, for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend! Yes, as we agreed, you let us use the ship. We'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. What? The first order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, we better go before he changes his mind. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Now, despite what you may have heard, my friends, when you work for Ohnaka Transport Solutions, there is no need to worry. Everything is precise, professional, and... What do you mean, system failure? Oh, that's what you mean by system failure. Of course I repaired the power couplers. I mean, not personally, but I had someone repair them. I think I had someone repair the power couplers. Never mind that. Oh, fine. Access the emergency power supply. Offline. What good is an emergency power supply if it's not ready in an emergency? This is unacceptable. I have a ship ready, a crew waiting, and nobody is making me any money. Does anyone have a lantern, a lightsaber, a little sand? This is ridiculous. Follow the crew member and we'll get this fixed right away, my friends. Go.
For your safety, remain seated and supervise younglings.
Flight engineers, repair test. Hit your flashing buttons. Only one engineer. I'll do what I can to help out. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly out and push forward to fly down. Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. Oh, there is the train. Those heavy guys are protecting the train. Take them out! They've locked onto us! Take evasive action! Gunners! We need to defend ourselves! Open fire! There it is! After that train! Light engineers! Fire the harpoons! Excellent! Now, gunners! Shoot the cargo free! Pilot brakes! My friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Power up the ship. Well, I have the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Well, when the resistance has what they need, maybe I did something for Hondo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Flight engineers, find the harpoons and reel us in. Get behind the train. Gunners, shoot the train. Engineers, reel us closer. Keep shooting! I thought you had it. Gunship! Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry! The Star Destroyer is collapsing. Let's fire it. Hit the boosters. We made it! I don't believe it, but we made it! Now, let's get out of here. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieved one container of coaxium. This would greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut, minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon, is... Oh, that is rough.
Sorry!
And how was it?
Fun. Wait, did we actually move?
I don't know.
I think we were just rocking back and forth. Yeah. And like going like, yeah, and like up and down sort of, you
I
know?
think it's so sneaky, Julie.
Oh, mine isn't. No,
Time for you to go. Don't worry, payment is on the way. Trust me.
Sure.
Overall, not too bad. I've definitely seen worse.
All available text, we have a Corellian freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay. This thing is practically scrap metal.
Close down, Outer.
Turn it off, Oliver. The opposite of what you
Never grow up, what are you?
Nice pie in here.
Thank you.
Alright, good job, team.
Thank you.
Thank you.